Wi-Fi connectivity has become a must for all the urban households out there. A good Wi-Fi router and stable connectivity can give you a great Wi-Fi speed. However, many a times we face slow Wi-Fi connection issues that at times become pretty annoying. Well, there are certain things that you can do to increase the Wi-Fi speed. So, if you also face constant slow Wi-Fi issues, then do not worry, as we have got you covered. In this video, we have listed down a few tips and tricks that will boost your internet connection and will give you a good Wi-Fi speed. So the very first tip that you need to follow is to move the router to a better location. Wi-Fi signals can travel far. They can easily get blocked by walls, floor, ceiling, furniture or any kind of object. Wi-Fi signals can also get interrupted by radio waves from other devices like phones, microwaves and Bluetooth speakers. So avoid placing router in the corner of a room as it can mess with the connectivity. Also avoid keeping it on the floor or an enclosed area. Next tip to follow here is to adjust the antennas of the router. This is one of the most basic hacks to increase the internet connectivity. If your router has adjustable antennas, then try reconfiguring them. Router antennas are generally omnidirectional, which means they can fire signals in all directions perpendicular to them. If someone needs to stretch his or her Wi-Fi signals to multiple floors, then they can also adjust antennas to a position where they are horizontal and can spread Wi-Fi speeds up and down. Extend your Wi-Fi network. If you face Wi-Fi connectivity issues, then you can extend your home Wi-Fi network. You can do this through Wi-Fi boosters using an Ethernet cable to connect with the access point in your router, or get mesh Wi-Fi systems that can replace your normal router with one or more devices to weave one Wi-Fi network that covers your entire home. Another trick you can follow is to upgrading to a better and faster connection. If you're facing major Wi-Fi connectivity issues, then it's high time to upgrade your Wi-Fi to a better connection. If you feel that your connection is never at 100%, then call the service provider to check and upgrade your existing plan. So these were a few tips and tricks that can help you boost your internet connectivity. We hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.